Alright guys, so hello. What is your name? You're so weird. Alright guys, so anyways, the part that I've been waiting for has finally come. I'm gonna show any information, but yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna open this up and show you what's inside. What is this, you say? What is it? I'm trying not to touch because this stuff is gonna, I might definitely have to wash my hands. Yes, you guys can see. You'll see more in this video. But that's the differential. That's all I'm gonna say right now. You can't cut with that. What do you got? Let me see that. Show Daddy. What do you got? Show Daddy. Show me. Oh boy, what are you doing with that thing? Anyways, I am going to be installing this in the morning. So, we're going to go to that. And we got to replace the brake drums and brake shoes as well as the differential. And I got to go get those parts, and I got to get the liquid. I mean the oil for the rear end. So, anyways, guys, that's gonna be all for now. I will see you guys in the morning. Adios. Hopefully the lighting isn't terrible, but we are here to work on the Silverado. I have got to pull the differential out. That opened that box because I got the new one. And yeah, so I'm going to get started on this and hopefully get a little bit of it filmed for you. See you guys in a few. Alright guys, so we finally got the axles pulled out. As you can see there, the differential is still in there. I was trying to wiggle it or pry it out, but I'm almost thinking like maybe I should just take the insides of this other one out, you know, and put it in that one. Anyways, I don't know. I'll let you know what I end up doing. I got new brake drums and shoes. Look at that. Oh, look at that, booties. They're so beautiful. Got a bunch of fluid so we can fill it, go drive it, and then come back and drain it, do it again. Anyways, I gotta go inside, check on everybody, see what they're doing. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So guys, oh, this is awesome. I'm gonna call this Kyle. Let's just call it K1500's Auto Repair. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, okay, so I couldn't. Here, let's get you out of the sun. I couldn't get the rear end to come out. I had everything loose. I couldn't just pull it out, couldn't pry. Man, it's gonna take forever. So I was like, you know what? Why don't we use the car? That's right. We hooked up a strap and checked that baby out. Let me pull this thing out. I wanted it to drop in the box because I didn't want to hurt the ring gear. So, this is awesome. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. I'll pull it out real quick. And then here's the new one. I gotta take the ring gear off. And gotta take the ring gear off. There. I don't know if you can see that. The lighting's really crazy right now. But that's the new one. I gotta take the ring gear off the other one. And then just put this whole thing in there. And yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna get working on this. So I will see you guys in a minute. I'm going to pull this all out for you guys because I had to hook a strap up to it, so I'll show you in a minute. Alright, there she is. Go under here. There she is, empty. Trying to make sure I got all the metal shavings out, but everything's looking good, so I'm going to transfer over the ring gear and we'll go from there. we gotta take that ring gear off. I'll show you guys that when I get that off, so we'll get there in a minute. Alright guys, so this here was our stock differential. This is the new one. I mean, it's used. It's not really new. But I've got the ring gear on it. I took that off of here. The thread bolts are reversed. So righty-loosey, lefty-tighty in this case. I had to take and hammer it off a little bit around the edges. And then I was able to get it out. I got to take this, get her ready to go up in there. And I will show you that once I'm under there. So guys, I'm underneath the truck. Lighting's not the best, but check it out. Oh yeah, we got freaking differential, baby. Haha, yeah. So anyways, I got it replaced. I really got to thank this guy that sent me this. He gave me a lot of advice, and I really appreciate it. I found him on a forum, and I'm not sure I would have been able to do any of this without him, because I would have had to buy a brand new one. I got a used one. I'm not big on used parts, but we really need this, and this should get us by until I can look into a better one. But for now, the differential is in and bolted up. I just got to put the cover on and fill it, but I'm going to work on the brakes before I do this. That way everything's done. So, on to the brakes. Well, there's the new brake drums. You can see they had like no padding left. Nice new springs. I've never even done these before, so it was definitely something different for me. Now that I understand how to do it, I think I could do it alright. But I'm going to throw on the new drums. Those are the old ones. Let's pull that. Yeah, look at that. Jeez. New ones are in here. Let me get them out here in a minute. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Man, I always love these parts. Let's open it up. Look at that. Brand spanking new. Jeez. Alright, well, I'm going to pull them out. I want to change my gloves real quick. I gotta spray some brake cleaner on them and throw them on. Would you look at that? One down, and we got the other side to go. And then I got to put that diff cover on and fill it up. Let's roll! Alright, apparently I'm running out of space. I don't know if you can see it. I had to replace the brake cylinder. It was leaking, so got this all back together. Got to put the drum on. That way I can bleed the brakes. Boom. Alright guys, it's been a couple weeks, so we're going to do cold start. There you have it. Brake drum is on. The rear diff cover is on. I don't know if you can even see it. There it is. And I just filled it with oil, so I got to put the tires on. and we'll be ready to take her for a test drive. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video out. As you can see, well, maybe you can't really see that well because of the lighting, but here, I got an idea. How about use the flashlight? The rims are on, the rims and tires. They're all on now. Let's go down here below, and you can see the differential cover is on. I just drained it and filled it back up again and put the cover on. See, we got the new drums, new brakes. I believe it was that one over there. I had to do the brake cylinder was leaking, so I had to change that. But I wanted to, since the gear had shredded, I wanted to, put oil in it, and then, like, once I had it all back together, put oil in it, and then go drive it. And that's what we did. We went and drove it, washed it. The place I washed it did a horrible job, but whatever. It's cleaner than it was. So we did a couple other little bit of driving around. Came back. I double checked everything, tightened everything up again. Anything that was loose, and sure enough, there was some metal shards. Little pieces, fine metal material, and there was one little chunk, that had previously been in there. So, and there was a bunch of stuff stuck to the magnet. Not as bad as it was the first time, obviously, but I cleaned it all out, put new fluid in, and we're good to go. So, I'm going to close it out here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And, sorry I haven't had any videos. I've had one already, which you guys are going to watch that first, and then you'll watch this. I forgot to upload it. So, forgive me. Hope you guys like it. I also replaced these again. The one broke, and these ones actually fit really well. And then I also replaced my window switch on the driver door. And I'll have a couple more videos coming soon of some trucks. A buddy of mine just got a brand new Sierra, and my friend with the Charger, I don't remember what it is that he said. I have to talk to him, but he just got a new truck as well, and he got that Trans Am. So we're going to show those on the channel, and hopefully soon, when it's nice out, we'll get the chance to do so. Thanks guys for watching, and I am out.